Dear students, dream big, work smart, and never stop believing in your ability to succeed in life. Hi, I am N.S. Reddy. I am a retired civil servant. I have been associated with Ignite IAS as Director Education and Chief Mentor since its inception. As Chief Mentor, my role is to plan the overall educational curriculum and strategies for students to excel in the civil services examination. At Ignite IAS, we not only prepare the students to appear for the civil services examination, but we aim at their all-round personality development to face the challenges in life with confidence and boldness. We not only concentrate on classroom teaching, but various activities like mock interviews, mock sessions, debates, discussions, etc. As Chief Mentor, I particularly take care of the mock interviews. Every year, we conduct mock interviews for the outgoing degree third year students in the real time UPSC kind of environment, wherein we test their ability to interact with the interview board members and answer the questions with ease and confidence. My role as a Director Education and Chief Mentor, with my vast experience in the Government of India, I can see the real side of the administration, and I can teach the students also how they have to develop the officer-like qualities, so that not only getting into the civil services but excelling as a civil servant, as an able and confident administrator, how they can meaningfully contribute to the growth and progress of the nation. With my educational background in biology, history, management, ecotourism and law, combining all these subjects, I can have a total perspective of the interconnectedness of various subjects, which is very important for a civil service aspirant. Any civil service aspirant, it is very important for him not only to gain the knowledge, but to apply. He must be in a position to apply that knowledge practically when he is going to work as an administrator after getting into the civil services. Mentorship is the heart of Ignite IAS program, wherein the mentors, they assess the strengths and weaknesses of the students and guide them in equipping themselves wherever there is a lacuna. They identify those lacunae and instill confidence in them in overcoming all those weaknesses and gaining more and more strengths, so that they can grow into responsible citizens and try to make a change in the lives of the people wherever they work, wherever they make efforts, and for whoever they work. My sincere advice to the students who are all aspiring to become civil servants is that the path to civil services is difficult. There is no doubt about it, but the rewards are also many. So you keep in your mind that there are certain obstacles and difficulties you have to face, some challenges you have to face in your journey to the civil services, but keep in mind the rewards you are going to get once you succeed in this examination. One thing I want to tell the students who are preparing for the civil services: please don't join the civil services just because it gives you some status, just because it gives you authority, or just because it gives you a lot of perks. You should join the civil services with a desire with an ambition to work for the progress of the nation and to work for the people in order to make a change in their living standards. You should all have this aim in your mind while preparing for the civil services and while working as a civil servant also. Thank you.